Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. JBoxes, or junction boxes, are an electrical box where wires are connected together, passed through, or dead-ended. The most important thing to remember for a JBox is that it has to be accessible. You cannot drywall over a JBox. That JBox might be used to extend a circuit. If a fault occurs in the circuit, it's going to be really hard to troubleshoot, especially if the fault occurred in the buried JBox. Unless you're the one who buried it, someone would need to get a wire tracer to find it. So remember to always make your JBoxes accessible and make sure you put a cover on the box as well. If an arc does happen in the box, you want it to be completely contained. Not having a cover is a fire hazard. For more safety tips, visit thevirtualelectrician.com.